Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I've seen on TV that when people go bankrupt, people turn up at their house and take away their furniture, their TV, their clothes. Is that really what happens in bankruptcy? Is someone going to turn up at my house and do that? So the answer to this question is generally no. In bankruptcy, people are allowed to retain their reasonable household and personal possessions. There is an exception to this, which is if those items have a material value or significant value to them. This could be, for example, if someone's dining table is an antique worth $20,000. Now, for the average person going through bankruptcy in Australia, that is not the case, but if that is where there is significant value attached to any of their household items or personal possessions, then yes, they can be taken for sale and the funds go towards the bankrupt estate. But for the average person going through bankruptcy in Australia, this is not the case, and they are able to retain all of their household and personal possessions throughout the bankruptcy and after.